would like to introduce you to a messaging platform from Google, Hangout Chat, that you can use to exchange notes and content and references with your teammate in a secure and safe way. First, you can point your browser to chat.google.com/download and then press download on a desktop icon. It will download and install it, and then you need to follow the prompt. Press next and follow the prompt to get it installed. Once it's installed, click on person, room or bot box. It will open up a menu and you can proceed to create your first room. So you can name your room in any way you'd like. Like for example, you can create one room, notes for Jane, and this is going to be a room used to share notes with your teammate Jane. And after you enter the name of the room, you can click create button, and then you can create other rooms, for example notes for Kathy, and then click create button, and after you're done you can click cross. And after you created these rooms, you can press on the button add people and bots, so you can invite other members of your team to join individual rooms. You can have different members invited to different rooms. So you click on this and you just select an individual's IDs and click send. And then you are basically ready to send a message. So you can type your message or your note in the message box. After you type, you can press send and it's going to be posted in that room. So and then the next person who's going to look at it, they can send a reply and then press send, and any of the members can take a look at the previous messages and responses. After you're done and you don't need to keep this information any longer, you can click on anywhere in a message and it pops up this menu, and then you can press, for example, delete button, and it will delete that note. And that is all. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments or concerns, please call or text us, chat with us online, or email us at support@enterspace.com. Thank you for watching.